Alright guys, so 280ZX, it runs, but it's just not up to our standards. Old AFM, old technology. ECU is not really using the ECU really. It kind of sucks. So my brother decided to go full send. He went with the standalone ECU, LS coil packs, upgraded like crank angle sensor, and yeah, this is from Pro Tuners. Shout out to Pro Tuners, they're pretty cool. They gave us a call, and yeah, look at this brand new harness, and this is the ECU right here. And they just came out with this. I believe it's called STM. My brother knows more about this, but I believe it's the STM. It's small, it's compact, and honestly, we were thinking about the Haltech, but this seemed like it was more bang for the buck. There's more options on this, and it's like about, I think, $1,000 cheaper, and it came with more sensors too. And then we even got these Works injectors. Believe these are, they're 650s. I believe they're 6. I forgot what we ordered, but I think they're 650s or 500. So good for ethanol. Yeah, the coil packs. This is the coil pack bracket. This is nice.
This is that.
Yeah. That
well, it has all the sensors.
That crank and all the sensors in there. So it's pretty cool. This car is getting modern tech, like oil pressure sensors, new TPS. Well, it's still kind of old. It's still kind of old, but this is a TPS off of like a Z32. It's a lot newer than this car.
40 years old.
We got coolant temp.
This is the baller thing right here, bro.
Oh yeah. So the distributor for turbos are cool. But like, dude, this is modern tech right here. See that Bosch sensor right there? It's gonna be a lot more accurate when it comes to timing and everything. So, honestly, the plan for this car was kind of weird.
Oh, look, a boost on that. Nice.
Yeah, nice. So it's kind of weird. We actually didn't want to do any of these mods at first. We just kind of, that's why we didn't even have an intercooler on this car. We literally just wanted to enjoy it in stock form. Well, like, it was just a lot of issues, especially with this. I think there's an issue with the distributor too. And then, honestly, just to like, I don't know, find the issue and it could come back always. We just figured we'll upgrade everything, you know, one and done. And then now it leaves us room for horsepower in the future. We could definitely upgrade the turbo, do the new manifolds, intake and exhaust.
Obviously, intercooler.
Intercooler.
Do an intercooler pretty soon, just because. I need more PSI.
Yeah.
Be safe. So
it's kind of weird. We're already on stage 2.
Yeah,
we didn't even really get to enjoy stage 1, but
still gonna be like pretty overbuilt for a stock car.
But overbuilt, but with all the safety features and then full control of the freaking motor, which is great. Because honestly, we have to do that to the Z31 as well. This car's fun. It's been really reliable, but this car really needs a standalone ECU. That way we could turn it up, have the safety parameters, and just be able to see everything that's happening within the motor, you know? Plug a computer. This guy's happy.
Man, that's 3 G's right there, man.
Yeah, it's like 3,000 right?
Bands right there, man.
This is what $3,000 fucking gets you, bro.
Basically, which is kind of ridiculous, but honestly, Pro Tuners, they know what's up. They're the best.
So thank you. We made our own little piping for the intake. This car doesn't have a front end intercooler. We're gonna keep it stock for now, so we're gonna be running the stock J pipe still. But it's gonna be on the standalone. It's gonna be on the LS coil packs. It's gonna be with new style injectors. And yeah, I started plumbing the harness. That's the fuse box. Now I'm gonna have there's gonna be a fuel pressure sensor, so I can read it through a computer now. It's pretty cool, not through the gauge. Yeah, I mean, so far it's been pretty smooth. Right here is the ECU, the Pro Tuners STM Pro, and then this is like the TAC adapter, and there's just a bunch of. It's a nice wiring harness. There's just a bunch of extra add-ons. So for the future, when you want to add more sensors and more stuff to it. So yeah. All right, everyone, quick little update. Actually, not a little update. It's actually a big update. We got the new casting with the Bosch sensor. It was kind of fun because we actually had to switch to a NA NA shaft, right? To NA shaft. This is the coolant temperature sensor right here. Upgraded one. Then we have the AIT, throttle position sensor off like a 240SX. And then yeah, we got to ground the fuel pump, get power to it, a bunch of stuff, but it's coming along. And now we're on the phone with the homie from tunerz. Loading trying to load the tune. The tune's already loaded and everything like that. And now we're trying to do the auto tune feature for now until we take it to a dyno. Idle drop right now. Just gotta drive it so that the auto tune can start working, starting to adjust things. Mostly try not to get into boost at all.
Yeah, I know.
That way, that's where it needs to adjust it. I mean, so far, I mean,
It drives good.
drives pretty good.
Better than how it was.
We're a little lean right now. We're pretty fucking lean, but
Yeah.
it's adjusting it though, which is good. Computer is like, you can see it right here, it's just like bouncing around, adjusting the table and stuff like that. But it's not bad. All right, guys. We're on the way to get a dyno tune for the 280ZX finally. Driving the Prius because, I don't know, just in case I gotta go grab some parts or something. Go auto parts store. A lot safer, you know, in my opinion. But can't wait till this car gets tuned. A lot of work and money has been involved in this car, so it'll be good for my brother finally enjoy it, and then me enjoy it as well. But yeah, we'll see how this tune goes. We're hoping we didn't need a dyno tune. Hopefully like the self tune was gonna be pretty good to get around, but kind of sucks to be honest. So it needs a tune badly. It's good enough to drive, but cold starts are horrible and we can't even get into boost because AFRs are just way off. RX-7 in there. So yeah, guys, Z30, I mean S130 is about to get tuned. Oh, it's another dyno over here. That's pretty cool. So that's about to get dyno tuned. It's all stock, but
that one there.
it's gonna work for now.
Like,
You're gonna put it on?
are we building an engine?
Oh,
Dual cam head.
Building an engine for it.
This is so badass to see in person.
Yeah, I can't wait to actually see this.
Alright guys, so his Datsun drag car has this S2K motor and this thing makes 1400 wheel horsepower. So yeah guys, we're at Eric's getting the car tuned. The 280ZX. My brother's excited. I'm excited actually because this car's been sitting for a little bit. So what's up, dude?
What?
Excited or what?
Okay.
How much horsepower are you gonna make?
Oh, like 2,000.
2000? Oh, like that one over there, huh? Like 1400?
That's nothing. Now 28.
So any guesstimates?
I was talking to them. We were thinking for sure 150 to 200. That should be the range.
I'm gonna say 180.
I think 180.
180 because it's,
180
it's a 280, you know? And,
Like 280 now.
and she's a little old. Guys, keep in mind this car's stock turbo, like stock everything. So it doesn't even have an intercooler, so. I just want to get it run, and after we'll add like the Pro Tuners intake and bigger turbo and
Hey, but
everything.
who knows? Maybe it might make 200. I'll be stoked.
Yeah. Got a Dyno's front bumper for a 240Z. Pretty cool.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. That's actually what I want. later when we do the retune again.
So the car made 200 horsepower wheel, and it peaked around 80 pounds of boost. For a stock car, like, it's actually really good. And it's been heat soaked too.
There's no glare.
Alright guys, made 200 horsepower wheel and then 22 pounds of torque.